delicious carnitas made in our Instant Pot, right here in our 32-foot fifth wheel trailer. You can find this recipe, along with links to the tools and toys we use in our kitchen, in this video's description just below. And if you do find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and share our video with your friends and family. And there's my supervisor / baby girl, and that's me, Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. I'm going to start these carnitas with our marinade. Let's zest one large lemon. And we'll juice that lemon. And we'll juice about 3 oranges. And 2 limes. And we get about 2 cups of citrus juice. We add our citrus juice and our lemon zest, along with a half a cup of water to a large bowl. And we chop 1 red onion. And thin slice about 10 large cloves of garlic. And then we'll slice 2 jalapenos, leaving the seeds in. It's not hot, all the heat cooks off, and we'll add our onions, our garlic, and our jalapenos to our bowl, along with some oregano, cumin, salt, granulated garlic, chili powder, some crushed red peppers, granulated onion, chicken bouillon, some fresh cracked pepper, and a couple of bay leaves. We'll stir all of our marinade ingredients together well. That's the magic. Now it's time to carve the meat off of our shoulder blade, or scapula, in our pork shoulder. Be careful. And we'll chop those pieces down into smaller pieces. Now we'll tuck and twist our pieces of meat down into that marinade. And we'll cover that bowl with some plastic wrap. It's heavy. We'll let it sit in the refrigerator all day long. And it is our day of carnitas. Grab yourself a morning beer and enjoy. Cheers to all you out there. Well, it's time to start cooking. We'll use our long kitchen tongs to add our carnitas to our Instant Pot, along with all of our marinade. We'll put our lid on and seal our pressure release valve. We'll pressure cook on high for 30 minutes, plus a 20-minute actual pressure release, and release your pressure. Use your long kitchen tongs to move our absolutely delicious, juicy, flavorful carnitas to a plate. And the first night, we lit a big fire in our little barbecue. We broke down our carnitas on top of our grill. Flame broiled our carnitas. Filled some tacos. And the next night, we cut up some leftover carnitas and added on top of some golden brown crispy golden rounds or tater tots, and then added plenty of cheddar cheese. And some avocado, some red onions and cilantro. And the night after that, we had a chipotle cheddar salad with some avocado and extra cheddar cheese, with some of our Mexican rice, and plenty of carnitas roasted perfectly in our air fryer. From our family to yours, thank you very much for watching our video and enjoy your carnitas. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we have another video out there for you to watch, and share our video with your friends and family. There's a link to this recipe in this video's description, along with links to our toys and tools that we use in our kitchen of our 32-foot fifth wheel. That makes cooking fun and easy. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Take care of yourselves out there. Bye-bye.